Welcome to SuzyQue 101. My name's Suzy.
Hey, everybody, it's SuzyQue.
And today I am going to be potting up a couple of my Monsteras, Rhaphidophora, tetrasperma. I'm going to be potting up some of my plants. Not only potting up, putting them together. I don't know if you've seen my last video. I made a whole lot of trellises. So I am going to be using this trellis for the Monstera adonsonii. I have 3 small plants. Some are in leca. This one's in leca. This one is already starting with the aerial roots and wanting to grow. So I thought this would be the perfect trellis for these plants. And I have another one over there I can't pick up right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up my soil and get started. So my soil is a mixture of orchid bark, potting soil, and I also added some sand. But it's real chunky, and I think this will be perfect for my Monstera adonsonii. Well, so I kind of thought it'd be easiest to pot it right here. So that's what I'm going to do. And hopefully my parrot will be quiet, right, Sophie? Oh, hi. Sophie's right here. So I have a flower box I'm going to put it in. I got this metal trellis off the internet and I covered it in coconut cord and wrapped it with twine. So I think it should be pretty good. Okay, got a pretty good head start on that. And as I was thinking, I'm going to want this one towards the end. All right. Oh boy, maybe in the middle. Oh, each one of these actually has 2, so maybe I'll only put 2 of these in here. Maybe I'll just put 2 in here. Let's see how it comes out. Let's see how it looks. So if this goes here, right? And this one goes here. I think I got room for that 3rd plant. Although I have 4. I think I'm just gonna keep this one by itself. I'm gonna keep this one by itself with a little trellis to get it started. But I think I like this. I like the full plants. So let me get started. This one can go in the middle. And what I'm gonna do is get some of my plant Velcro and start tying some of this up. I do like this a lot. This little plant Velcro really helps. I think this plant is going to be beautiful. And then let these aerial roots grab onto this this trellis a bit. Oh yeah, this one's got a lot of aerial roots. Now I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. You can see my other trellises. So I really like this, and I'm going to hang a light right here, and it's going to grow beautifully. Oh my goodness, I like it a lot. Okay, so now I'm ready with my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. I'm going to be combining, I don't know, can I fit all 4 in that? I think I can fit 4. That's what I would like. I would like this to have all 4. So I'm using soil and orchid bark. orchid bark, sorry, orchid bark. Blah. Let's see here. And this is another one of the trellises I just made. Yeah, like none of these were busting out of their pot. They've got new growth. This one is the one I got from my friend Elizabeth. It's always sad, but I think she just needs friends. How's that? Could I try to do it without making a mess? No. Well, I am going to put some of these Velcro on and see how it looks. Ooh, this is going to be so nice. It's not going to stay here because my parrot will totally mess with it all the time. Here's my 2 plants that I've potted up so far and combined different cuttings. Had 3 or 4 different cuttings of each, so I combined them. Now I know they look kind of tiny in there now. Just wait. Oh, you can't have my sphagnum moss either. There we go. How's that? Both of them I think came out really well. And they got plenty of room to grow in. Awesome. So now I have a Pothos that I want to put in this. But here's my dilemma. It doesn't seem very sturdy. Well, I guess it's pretty sturdy, huh? Huh. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. This thing was really cute. How's that? And put this on so we have something for some of these to grow. Or do I want a pole? Which one do I want for this? I think I like this. That. Anybody else long enough yet? Some of these were long that I just draped over on the top, so I didn't crush anything. There's a couple nice ones. They're all tangled up in blues. Oh, I do like how this is coming out. I have never used a moss pole before, so I'm very excited. Let alone, I made these, so that makes it even nicer for me. Like, it means... Still looks full on here, and I think mostly because I put it in a pot that was maybe an inch too deep. Got one more. This one. Look how high up that one's going to go. Taller than the bird cage. Oh, I like it. That is for my Monstera adonsonii. So thanks for coming out and watching this video on how I put together all these cuttings to make fuller, lusher plants. So the cuttings were the Monstera adonsonii and the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. They both were cuttings that I combined many cuttings for these two trellises. This Brazil was already a large plant that I wanted to grow up and not hang down, as well as this Pothos marble queen. Not very marbly. Yeah. I would love to hear if you've made some moss pools, and if you did it a different way, I would love to hear it because this was so much fun. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, everybody, it's SuzyQue. Hey, everybody, it's SuzyQue. Na hey, everybody, it's SuzyQue. So come along with me. Said I'm SuzyQue.